Hey guys, thanks for coming to the channel. A latest update we have. Let's see the power of Notion very quickly with AI and a chatbot. So Notion has its chatbot, if you like, of AI inside Notion that knows the context of your data. And of course, I use VoiceInk. Link will be in the description below. This is a great tool, one-off payment rather than Whisperflow. So any other transcription app they may have, this is one-off payment and it saves a lot of time uh, and it's just one off and you pay it and it's yours. um, 2 max by the way for $35, really good deal. What I'm using here, AI to edit my information. So I had a field here I wanted to get the latest information from, and I asked, first of all, is that possible? How can I get that when I actually edit a record such as this one, for example? This will be update of the latest updated date. He said to me, actually, you have a field that you can create, you can use, which is the last edited field. So this property here, so if I want to edit a property in Notion, you have last edit time, automatic one out of the box. I created that, but now I have a problem. The date here is not matching the dates here. So I simply asked, okay, can you now go around and copy my old last updated date into this new field so I can have it? And he went around and did it. But what it did is he created the last updated backup, and let's add this to the view. Last updated backup, totally created by Notion itself. Let me put it next to my original field and the new field, the automatic one. Let me see, created a backup field. So you can just with voice really interact with your data. So for example, you get a piece of information from here and you throw it in Notion. Can you summarize this just in one paragraph so I can know, and just list the resources that you find in this article below? And there you have it. You have the information resource underneath. I can insert below, try again. Usually I put below so I don't lose the original, and you can get ready with the original, for example. So any piece of information you need to rewrite, either from your own transcript talking for a long time, or even transcript from calls that you get from many tools that we can use today, keep it all inside your own brain, which is Notion, and format it as you go. Keep things nice and organized.